Hey guys, spring is in the air and I'm here at 14530 Morris Road. A spectacular rural 2,500 square foot custom built ranch style bungalow on 3 sprawling acres. And let me tell you, this home is absolutely done to the nines and I'm super excited to show you. For more information, please visit callcarl.ca and be sure to check out the 3D Matterport camera of the home, which features integrated video, meta tags that go throughout the house and describe the updates that have been done and in what year. And of course, feel free to give me a call anytime and I'd love to be able to show you the home.